Hi, welcome. I'm Juli. Today you'll need your blue board, the coins and this picture. Take your time and when you're ready, let's play. What a nice bedroom. There are a lot of toys in here. Can you see a doll? Yes, it's on the bed. Okay, one doll. Take one coin and place it on the board. Remember, one doll. Can you see a car? How many cars can you see? Car, car, car. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. Excellent. 3 cars. Now you can place the coin. Car. 1, 2, 3. Great. Can you see a bike? How many bikes can you see? Bike, bike. 1, 2. 2 bikes. Good. Please take a coin. Let's put it here. Is it okay? Oh no, haha, here. 1, 2. 2 bikes, much better. Can you see a kite? How many kites can you see? Kite and kite. 1, 2. 2 kites. Now place the coin. 1, 2. That's correct. Can you see some blocks? How many of them? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Wow! Let's place the coin now. 6 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good. Can you see a ball? How many balls can you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Take one coin, please. Ball. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. Let's check if this is correct. Please turn the picture. Here you can see the key. Everything's perfect. Excellent job. See you in the next video.